Have you ever questioned why that piece of chocolate cake or that victorious moment feels so euphorically good? The answer lies in a fascinating chemical messenger in our brain known as dopamine. Imagine dopamine as your brain's pleasure courier, delivering feelings of enjoyment and satisfaction. It's what gets us excited about that mouth-watering dessert, our latest achievements, or even a simple scroll through our favorite social media feed. But dopamine's role extends far beyond just delivering pleasure. According to neuroscientist Dr. Huberman, dopamine is not just about the here and now rewards. It is the engine driving our motivation, powering our ability to learn, and fueling our resilience in the face of adversity. It's the secret ingredient that pushes us to strive, explore, and grow. However, there's a twist. If we're constantly chasing quick bursts of dopamine, think instant gratification, it can lead us down a slippery slope towards addiction and procrastination. It's like a double-edged sword. Too much can be just as detrimental as too little. So how can we strike the perfect balance and make the most of our dopamine levels? Dr. Huberman suggests simple yet effective strategies like setting achievable goals, embracing the learning process, and finding joy in personal growth.
It's about learning to regulate dopamine wisely, turning it into a tool for a fulfilling, balanced life.
Intrigued to learn more and unlock your fullest potential? Dr. Huberman's podcast offers a deeper dive into the fascinating world of dopamine. Transform this knowledge into power in just 60 seconds. Dive deeper, live better, and take control of your dopamine today.